results from Qualcomm.
The right to rule. We can defend and resist only in the face of...
Well, I would get a little bit more in the off-season when I'm not so busy. I'll lose some more.
And it seems that it will even more often than not. And we are still admonished to pray for them.
Be like 325, 330. You're going to feel good at that weight. There are some guys in the league, though, the minute they stop playing, they just drop weight like crazy.
Okay, here's the situation I've got with this antenna lead. It's kind of touchy, but it may need some work. The more I use it, the better it seems to get, but it still would need some attention.
He had a lot of food to get there, and he got to like 210 when he finished playing. Now he decided to go back.